The Irish Underwater Council provide a library of documents for each member to use. These documents are housed in a number of folders. To go through some, the AGM will house anything to do with AGM minutes, accounts, any of those type of documentation. Child protection is where you'll go if you need advice on child protection, and also if you need to be Garda vetted. Should you need to be Garda vetted, if you go into clubs in the Republic of Ireland and simply select Garda vetting form, that will download the form that you can then send back into the office. To go back a step, simply click on the folder at the top. Club support documents will house all documents needed for clubs, including constitutions, sample posters, the duties of officers, risk assessment forms, and try-dive medical disclaimers. Company documents will be the company rules, expenses forms and policies, members' code of conduct, refund policies. Any company policies will be housed in there. COMS guides will give you guides to use COMS similar to this online tutorial. Diving documents is a very important folder. It contains the diving rules and regulations. Should they change, the changed documents or the most up-to-date documents will be in this folder, so please check back regularly. Give you dive buddies in depth and your equivalence forms against dive policies. Should you need to report an incident, and the incident report should really come through the diving officer, it's available in instant reporting. Insurance will give you a breakdown of all your insurances into each year. So if you click on the current year, it'll give you the wording and the policy schedules for the public liability and personal accident search and recovery policies. Medical documents will be where you'll go to get your medical form. The most up-to-date medical form will be there. And finally, training courses. Training courses is a wide library of resources available for every member. In there, the courses are separated between diving and snorkeling, and we also have a list of updates and the latest course and test book. The course and test book provides details of all of our courses, the prerequisites, and also how each course should be run. It's a very important document. Then within diving, you can see that you have all courses listed. So perhaps let's take a look at Club Diver for an example. Say I'm sitting in my Club Diver, I can come in here, I can look at the handout online. So let's take a look at Club Diver. If I'm sitting in my Club Diver, I can come into this folder. It'll give me my handout, which I can read. It'll also give me all the course material that the instructors use on the course, including the lesson plans and the PowerPoints. So if you're at a lecture and you feel like you wanted to go back through that lecture again, you simply click into the PowerPoint and select which lecture it was that you're at, and you can go back through it. All of those lectures are backed up by lesson plans, which is contained in there. And then there's past papers, and that will give you the Club Diver questions that are likely to be asked at your Club Diver exam. So each folder in the training courses section follows the same format. You'll have course material, handouts and past papers. So should you think you may want to do a course in the future, say nitrox, you can click onto speciality, into nitrox, and read up well in advance of the course to make sure that when you attend that course you get the most out of it.